Synapse. We are aware of what is happening around us and are in a position to make an appropriate response. This is because of an extraordinary communication network in our body. Impulses in the form of electrical signals travel very fast, almost 100 meters per second along a nerve cell. A nerve cell or neuron is a structural and functional unit of the nervous system. It is the largest cell of the body. A typical neuron has a cell body or cyton surrounded by thin spidery parts called dendrites. The longest fiber is called axon. The axon forms the nerve fiber. At the terminal end, the axon is branched with small swellings at the end of each branch called terminal button. Nerve impulses are relayed from the axon endings of one neuron to the dendrites of another neuron. This junction is called synapse. Any two neurons do not join one another completely. There is a very small gap between the two. Yet, nerve impulses are carried across by means of chemical transmitters like acetylcholine. It is understood that when an impulse reaches the terminal button, it gives out a small amount of acetylcholine, which contacts the dendrites of the next neuron. We can now conclusively say that a microscopic gap between a pair of adjacent neurons over which nerve impulses pass when going from one neuron to the next is called synapse. Synapses actually act as one-way valves. They ensure that impulses travel in only one direction from the dendrites to the cell body and then through the axon.